Make a great choice today with the 2020 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, battery saver, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.